Hello guys, welcome back to our episode again on Udemy. So in a previous video, we learned about how to place in columns, both circular columns, slanted columns, and also vertical columns. So when you come to the 3D, you can see all what we did here. So this is what we did in the previous video. So if you have not watched that video, kindly watch that video before you come to this next video. So what we are going to do here is to learn everything about wall. So let me do undo first. Control Z for undo. So on this episode, you are going to learn everything about structural walls here. So when you come to wall, there is a small arrow here, so you can choose to use architectural wall or structural wall. So we have so many ways or drawing tools in which we can use to draw. So we have the line area, in which when you pick your wall, you can draw. But before you do that, what you have to do is to always remember to set your level to a height, and also your level to a determined level in which you want to level 2 if it's okay for you. And also we have chain and we have on chain. So when I do chain on chain, it won't continue when I draw my wall. So let me delete it. But when I pick my wall again and I do chain, after drawing one wall, it continues. It's like a foot chain. I hope you are getting it. So guys, these are a few things that I want to explain about wall, but let's move on. After picking my height or my constraint, it changes here. So level 1 to level 2. Let me expand the project browser for you to see how it is. So level 1 to level 2. And I said earlier that we have tools here. So I'm going to first draw with the line. And also I can pick the rectangle here as a wall. And do cancel here. And also I can do a triangle here. A polygon here for you to see. We also have circular or circle. We can also do some type of arc walls. So when I come to my 3D, you can see these are the various walls that we've drawn here. So in case you want to draw any type of wall, or you want to draw any type of wall, you have to come to your structure tab. And also you can come to the edit type here. Under the edit type, if you want to change the thickness of your wall, you just have to come to, first of all, you have to do duplicate and also determine the size of the wall that you want. So if I want 150 mm wall type, after changing it here, then I can come to edit here and also change the thickness to 150. And also I can change the material, the concrete material or the masonry material here as well. So in case I'm using C25 for casting place or masonry unit, I just have to select it here and do OK. Then I can do OK from here. And also I can also set some plastering, or also I can add some paint around. So I can do insect here and use this up here. So in case I have a thickness of my plastering to be 20 mm, I will just do 20 mm here, and I'll do another insect and I'll select this one and bring it to the down. So I can set both the external and the internal wall plastering as 20. So that's how you can So in all, I'm going to get 190. Also, better still, I can still add maybe some painting thickness into my wall, and also change the type of material in which I want to use. So these are a few things that you have to know about walls. And also we have identity data. You can identify your wall by using description, also by using type comment, and also by using type mark, which will come there. So I'll do OK from here. Then we have another options here in which we call it the local line. So this line determines where the wall is going to be drawn. So with the first one is what? Wall at the center line. So when I pick the wall at the center line, when I draw my wall, it's going to be at the middle. Also, we are going to use all this option. So this one is core at the center line. It seems to work as the same. So we are going to use the serial face. And also we have the interior face as well. So these are various options that helps you to determine the type of wall or the ways in which you can draw your wall. So when I come into the 3D, I can see my grid lines, and I can also locate where my wall is. So when you select this wall here, you can see the plastering that we indicate is showing at the edit type properties here for you to see how it is. Also, if you are working with a structural wall, you can select all your structural wall and also specify the type of river cover for it. So in case I want to use cast in place concrete cover, a concrete cover of, it seems I don't have a concrete cover here, but I can come to my structure area and search for cover. Concrete cover settings. I can add up and also do maybe 25 mm concrete cover. So from here I will change for the 40 to 25 mm and I'll do OK. So now let's select our walls here, and we can now change the concrete cover to 25 and also this to 25. So this is how to set your wall concrete cover for the walls. So let's move on. So any type of shape in which you want to draw, you can use the line tool to draw, and also you can use the pick line tool here to indicate where you want to draw your walls. Aside that, if you want to change the height of your wall, you just have to come to view area, then you come to visibility graphics here. So you are going to have a pop-up here. Under the pop-up here, it's called visibility graphics override for level 1. So you just have to scroll down and search or look for the W column. Then you come to the pattern, the cut area, the pattern area. Then you change your hatch to a masonry wall. So I think a brick wall is cool. Then you set the color you want. Then you do OK from here. So there we have it. We have our wall hatch being shown here. Also, I can do undo, and also I can select this type of wall. In case I want to do only the hatch for one wall, I just have to right click here and come to graphics override in view. So with this pop-up, I'll come to the cut pattern here and look for brick. Change the color to black and do apply. So it's going to change only this type of wall. Better still, I can do select wall and I can do by category. Break here, change the color to black, do apply. So it's going to change for all. So this is how to do override for your walls or any element in Revit. So the next thing that we are going to do is to come to our wall area and pick the wall again. We can draw the wall into any shape. So these are the tools in which you can work with. So any type of shape that you want, when you pick your wall, you have the option here. Aside that, we've talked about using the location line where you want to determine your line or your wall line. We have the finish face, which is the interior. We have the finish face, which is the exterior. We also have the core face exterior and the core face interior. So these are various options which can help you. Aside that, when you pick your wall, you can also determine the height in which you want to send your wall. From a base level, you can also do minus any height that you want to specify. When you draw your wall like this, and I take a section through, so let me try and bring this wall here. So remember we did it minus 1,000. So you can see that's gone down deep minus 1,000. So these are a few things that you have to know about walls. In case you have any question, you can ask. In case you have any challenges with drawing walls, you can ask. In case you want to do a swimming pool with your walls, you can also do what I just do by picking the wall, then determine the shape of your swimming pool like that. So this is how to provide or draw walls in Revit. And also we can do walls with a shape. So in case I want to make a void inside this wall, I can just create a section. When I click the wall, I can come to edit profile. Then with the drawing tools, I can provide a void inside the wall. So there we have it. So I can select this wall and come to the section box here. Then I can see my void inside the wall. Also, I can still take a section here. and use, let's try this, wall opening here. So when I select this and come to my selection box, I can see my wall opening. So these are various ways in which you can create a void inside a wall. I hope we've covered everything in walls. I hope we've done so. So guys, thank you for watching this video. In case you have any question, you can ask. So the best thing that you have to do is to do the practicals by coming to the structure tab, providing your various wall that you want to do here. Also, you can give your wall a tag or a type mark or a comment by doing w wall 1. So anything that you want to do with your walls, you can do that as well. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next slide. Bye for now.